start, leading 1-0, a race to 10 for the title. Of course, Zhao Xintong still on course for an unprecedented Players' Series Grand Slam today. He's won the Grand Prix, he's won the Players' Championship. Can he add the Tour Championship to that?
Foul. Anonymous. Zhao Xintong, 4. One.
Yeah, already the long game
4.
of Xintong is having an impact on the final.
Five.
It's just one of the biggest assets you can have in your armoury when you can find those long reds. It just puts your opponent under so much pressure. The safety plays under so much scrutiny out there.
12.
Because all the while those long balls are finding the back of the leather, you're creating your own chances.
13.
This red wasn't the best really in landing on the black. Didn't necessarily want to go into the reds from that previous black
20.
because
There goes the red. Does he have the cover on it? But yeah, that's what he's got to guard against as best he can against Xintong. You know that you have to get the cue ball safe. It's as simple as that. Otherwise, you're going to be punished.
lost today for both players, but you do feel that Trump has seen just the level that Zhao Xintong has.
4. Seven. $14.
Red at the back of them, top through. And quite a nice shape. This shouldn't be a problem. And everything will be in the open.
15.
And now all the work has been done in this frame. He's just got to mind his business now.
22.
Just take what's there.
$23. 28. Please make sure your phones are on silent. Thank you. $29.
Well, just crept briefly out of position for a moment, but he's found it once again.
$36. $37.
Plays with such lovely rhythm around the table. Oh, you can't see him making the
44.
same mistake as he made in the first frame here. And this frame is done.
45.
He knows what he's got in store today, Judd Trump. The task is simple. He's got to play lights out snooker.
52. $53. $60. $61.
It's an interesting dynamic because Trump has the skill to turn this match into anything he wants. He can try and make it scrappy, keep it tight, play ugly. But will Zhao Xintong allow for that to
67.
happen? Because every shot he plays is with aggressive intent. Always looking to bring balls into play
68.
and get into these positions where, when he gets the balls at his mercy, he very rarely makes a mistake. And it's been two quick fire frames from the world